Hi guys, how you doing? Uh, Excuse my voice. I just made myself a peanut butter sandwich, so I think the peanut butter is still in my mouth, so I might sound somehow. Okay, so today we're going to change the seals. I mean the yeah, I think it's the seals from that wheel. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So what we have here is that we have a cylinder inside of here. So this is called a cylinder. So what we are going to do is that we are going to change the seals here. You see what happens that when you break, this comes out, and then this other one comes out here, and then it holds the brake pads, and then it stops this what do you call this wheel from moving. It helps the wheels from the front. This is called rear brake, and that is called front brake. So this helps the brakes from the front from braking. So what happens is that it is kind of leaking, not that much, but it is just a little bit leaking. So I can feel it when I'm driving. When I'm driving, the car is supposed to just go straight. So it kind of like leans from the side. So when you brake, I can feel it leaning from the side. So it means that this one is not braking properly. So we're going to change the seals from here to here, but not this one, because this one is all rotted out. So someone told me that I should change the whole cylinder. So because I've done this before, so it is working fine now. So what we're going to do is just to change these ones, and then maybe clean the cylinder inside, so that if it has rust inside, the seals will just I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. They will not have the rust squeezing against it, so it will leak again if that happens. So what we'll do is start clean it, and then put those seals again, so that it doesn't leak and it breaks properly. So with that, let's see, back to that one. So what's gonna happen here, guys? Don't have enough space to work there, so I'm gonna push the car back, and then maybe from focus from here, and then we can put it that side, and then maybe we can have space to work with. So I already let the handbrake down. So what we are going to do is just going to, the car can start, it can move, I can drive it. So but then I don't see a need in starting a car, so that you can just move it a couple of centimeters. I think here it will be okay. Let me go let me put some brakes here so that it doesn't move forward again. Okay guys, so put some brakes there, so I blocked it so that it doesn't move forward. Let's check if I still have those seals open. I think I got them. Don't know where I put them. Okay, there they are. So here's what I'm talking about. Not sure if they're the right ones, but the guy told me that they're the right ones. So this is what I'm talking about. It's going to go into that cylinder. Let me see if I have that. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. So this rubber seal is going to go here. So this is what blocks the brake fluid from coming out. So this one is a bit worn out. Not sure if you can see it.
I'm having a camera here. This edge is right here. This one's right here. They're a bit worn out, so my camera doesn't show that, but I can see that they're a bit worn out. So what is going to happen, right, is that we're going to take these ones, put them here, then just slide it back into the cylinder. So what's gonna happen now, I'm going to take this wheel off and then take the drum off, and then pretty simple stuff. I'm not going to be showing taking the wheel off. Maybe I'll show taking the drum off. Alright guys, so we got the wheel off. There it is. So what's gonna happen now is that we're going to bang this thing. The most important thing that you need to do is that you need to let the handbrake down. If you don't let the handbrake down, so this thing is not going to come out. So you need to adjust it at the back of this thing right here. I'll show you when I got this thing off, this drum off. If you don't let the handbrakes down, so the brakes inside, they're going to block this from coming out. They're going to squeeze it. So if you let the handbrake down, they're going to release, and then this thing will come out easy. So I only have two hands, and I don't have a stand for this, but I think it can come out easy. Sometimes it doesn't come out that easy, but then if it doesn't come out that easy, you just get a hammer and then you work it, then you pull it, and then you work it, and then you pull it back. It will come out easy. So like I said, taking this one out before, so I know how to do it. So I already adjusted it at the back. Here's what I'm talking about. This adjuster right here, you adjust these things so that these pads right here let goes of this drum. So if it doesn't let go of the handbrake, so these pads will just squeeze this drum, and then this drum will not get out. Okay, so back to this. Here's what I'm talking about. Not sure if you can see, but it is kind of leaking here, this side, and then this side also, but not that much. So what happens is that when you brake, the brake pads, like you can even see here, so what they do is that they come inside of this cylinder right here. If your cover boots, they're not that strong, so this will come inside of here. Then as you brake and then you let go, you brake and let go, they come inside through that seal that I was talking about. Then that seal starts leaking. So what we are going to do now, just to remove these brake pads, and then install the new seals. When you remove the brake pads, what you do, you get this spring right here. You just I'll show it. Let me get my tools. So what you do is that you pinch it this side, just like that, simple like that, and then what will be left, you push it that side, so that, let me repeat that again. See, this adjuster is holding this brake pad, so you just push it that side like that, and then it will let go. Same way this side will be kind of difficult to let go, because what you need to do is that in here, I'm not sure if you can see, this right here, this thing right here needs to let go of that. So
you push it back like that, and then if you push it back like that, and then simply squeeze that one. Simply squeeze that one back like that, and then it will come out. So like I said, I don't have a stand for this camera, so let me take that out and then I'll bring you back.
Okay guys, so I got it off. Here it is. So just realized that there was no need for me to take this one off. Just needed to get ready, to take these things off, because that's what we are after. So without wasting any time, let's get this thing off here. You know what, let's get something that, because I know that the brake fluid is going to come out. So let's get maybe a bowl or maybe a can that we can put here so that the brake fluid doesn't spill all over. Alright guys, so we get our packet here. So what we're going to do is that we are going to release these things right here. I can already see, you see, so it was leaking, so that's why it was not having the brake that I wanted. What's going on here? What is going on right here? This one is not the same one as that one. Didn't take it out. Damn it. What's going on? Yes, you can see it is rusted out. It is rusty. Let me check the other one. Don't want to replace the whole cylinder, but I'm thinking that must just be that might just be what I'm going to do, because this one does not even have seals. Look how rusty that is. Even the cylinder in here is rusty. So what's gonna happen? How is this thing working? Oh, it uses. Oh, it uses these things right here. So they are not the same. Damn it. Not sure which one is the correct one. Is this one the correct one? Is that one the correct one? Did they modify it? Not sure. So what do we need to do? Let's just block that. What do we need to do? Let me think, guys. I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so this is what I think happened. They couldn't get the seals from the ones that I have right here. They couldn't get the seals, the types, this kind of type of seals, so they used those ones, and so because they fit perfectly, they didn't see a problem with it, but until it started leaking now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use these ones. I'm not sure if I have another cylinder like this one, but I'll check, and then yeah, I'm going to use these ones because I'm definitely sure that these are the ones to use. So if I'm not sure, please comment down in the comments down below, because this one says VW right here. It says VW right there. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to button this up. So this goes right here. This goes right here, like so. I'm going to clean this rust in here. Where is that seal? Yeah, here you go. So this one, yeah. Even this one, even this thing is too small. Okay, no problem. I'm just going to replace this thing at the back of here. Let's show if you can see. So what's gonna happen is I'm just going to loosen this one up, then replace this this cylinder right here. I don't want the video to be too long, guys. I'll probably do another video me completing this fix right here. So for now, let's just end here, and then I'll bring out another video me completing this fix. So I didn't think it was gonna be this too much of work, because the other one I did it, there was not a problem. This one seems like it had too many conversions. So yeah, okay, with that, guys, thanks for watching. If like I said before, if this one is the original one, but I don't see any VW markings here, trying to check, don't see any VW markings here. If this one is the original one, or if you do have another one, same one as mine, so please let me know on the comments down below. Maybe I can try to fix this one and then get that other one fixed too. But I know all my VWs use that one, the first one that I've just showed you. Let me go show it to you. So this is the one that I know that all my VW use. So it's not going to be a problem for me taking it out. This is the right one that I know that all my VW use. So with that, guys, I'm just going to take this one off, put it back there, and then button everything up, then we'll be good to go. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Bye.